We have one guest lecturer with us this cruise for this week, and I would like to introduce him onto the stage right now, all dressed in blue. It's Professor Ford.
Well, hello everyone. Now, I've been lecturing on seaborne ships for 20 years, and my lectures are always on the television the next day. So if you miss them, you can always catch up on the TV. Don't even think of doing it. I want you there, live, to suffer with the rest of everybody. I don't want you hiding in your suites, watching on TV. Come to the bloody lectures. Get off your backside and come. Seabourn always like their lecturers to give talks that are young, fresh, dynamic and informative. And I try to make mine informative. So if you would be so kind as to turn up tomorrow, I've got 5 altogether. I can't remember what the titles are because I haven't looked at the list, but I know what tomorrow's is. Tomorrow's is all about where the Mediterranean came from. And even I find it interesting. If I wasn't giving this lecture, I would probably go to see it anyway. And that's tomorrow at 6:15 in the Grand Salon. That's grand as in rather small, and salon in the sense of not really a salon, more of a theatre. So tomorrow, 6:15, Grand Salon, and I've memorised all your faces, and if any of you aren't there, there will be consequences. Thank you.
It's our comedian, Professor Ford. Thank you very much.